How to be a stay-at-home flight attendant. First of all, put on your uniform and pretend you're on a flight to, let's say, Singapore, and your family members or family members are the passengers on this flight, and welcome them on board. Then perform the safety demonstration for them and point out the nearest exits available to them so that they feel safe in your company. After this, you go to the kitchen and serve them the beverage for the cocktail service. In this case, to the left, Mrs. Dr. Köhler liked to have an apple juice, and Mr. Woofer to the right, his choice was whiskey. When you return to the kitchen, open the fridge and pretend you're in transit in Novosibirsk. And it's freezing cold.
Hello.
Like
Welcome
minus
on board.
35
nice
degrees.
To have you here. Come here along. Yes, yes.
And you welcome the guests on board.
Welcome on board.
Then you switch off the Wi-Fi and walk along, pretend you're on a 380, always carrying your handbag with you. And when the guests start complaining, you will explain it's gonna be fine in a couple of minutes, and you will take care and you apologize so much to them. Everything is gonna be fine right now.